Welcome. Today, we'll unveil effective home remedies for dry cough that can help soothe your throat and ease discomfort. Let's dive in. First up is honey. It's renowned for its soothing properties. Simply take a teaspoon to relieve a dry cough, or mix it into your tea for extra comfort. Next is ginger. It has antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. You can brew ginger tea or simply chew fresh ginger for relief. Peppermint is our third remedy. It helps numb throat nerve endings, reducing the urge to cough and soothing irritation. Lastly, remember to consult a healthcare professional if your cough persists. It's important to address underlying health issues properly.